and you can replace this way. Remove the bracket and remove the connector, the tube connector with the cartridge. If the reservoir has ink, you have the ink in the cartridge and the ink in the tube, make sure have the cartridge higher than the reservoir, so it will not leaking. So we just remove the connector, remove the tube from the cartridge like this, hold it, so it will not leaking because the cartridge is higher than the reservoir. The ink will not come out. So take like this, and you connect to the new cartridge. Follow the color. Same thing. Second one, third one, and the last one. Okay, and you put the bracket back in here. Okay, if it has ink in the reservoir and the tube and the cartridge is empty, you need to reprime it, repurge the cartridges by doing this. Take the rubber plug out and take a syringe. You connect to the cartridge on the top, and you pulling the air and the ink out of the cartridge, which is you are pulling the ink from the reservoir, and the ink will, until the cartridge is full, and you remove the syringe and close it with rubber plug. So this is where you replace the cartridge side and the chip. Thank you.